In the cozy clutter of Mike's broadcast cave, a legend was born. Long ago, in the quiet of Mike's attic, a kitten was left behind. Mike saved him, fed him, named him Tick. But today, Tick has his own plan.
Welcome, Timeline Trackers. Today we're diving into
Tick's eyes gleamed with mischief as he peered from his shelf.
As we can see from this chart, the convergence point is
Tick pounced, landing squarely on Mike's shoulder.
Whoa, Tick, what are you doing? We're live. As I was saying, oh no, the charts!
Deploy the glitter distraction bomb.
We tried that last week. Remember the fur incident?
Tick, that's not a toy. Folks, please bear with us. We're experiencing some technical difficulties. You know what? If you can't beat them, fine, meet my co-host. Ladies and gentlemen, Tick the Timeline Tabby. Well, looks like we have a feline forecast for our future timelines.
Oh my gosh, he's adorable.
I must admit I didn't see that coming.
And just like that, Tick went from chaos causer to co-host extraordinaire, proving that sometimes the best plans are the ones we never saw coming. Together, Mike and Tick were ready to take on whatever timeline troubles lay ahead, one purr at a time.
Quiet and quick.